What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So I've got right here the iPad 11th Gen or the A16 iPad, and I want to showcase some accessories, and I think these are essential accessories that you need for your iPad 11th Gen. And I want to give a huge shout out to ESR for sponsoring this video and sending these products out to review. So the first product is going to be the ESR Geo Digital Pencil. Now, obviously, the biggest thing to this is going to be that it is more cost effective when compared to the Apple Pencil Pro. And take a look, here is the box and everything you get inside the ESR Geo Digital Pencil. Let's put these aside right here. Obviously, we got our USB-C cable right here, but the important thing is to take a look at the pen right here. Just kind of bring it out just like that. Bam. And there we go. Oh, this looks clean. It's really, really light as well. Absolutely like how it looks. Minimal, clean. And it also is easy to find. As you can see right here, it has Find My capability built inside this pencil, which is a huge, huge plus. And now it also does have right here a shortcut button as well as a battery display on this. This is more than what you get with an Apple Pencil. Now, not only that, it's going to include fast charging. So it's going to fully charge in 30 minutes with the USB-C cable that's included inside the box, and you can get up to 12 hours of continuous use. Now it slides onto the iPad real easily, just like that. And you also do get extra tips for the pencil right in here. Bam, you get 3 extra tips. Now, obviously, with a digital pencil like this, you want to have good precision and have it really smooth, and this does just that. So in addition to obviously being a pencil and doing all the great stuff, it has palm rejection, and just look how smooth it is as I'm writing on the iPad. Definitely great. It has tilt sensitivity and a 1.5 millimeter fine tip right here for detailed writing and drawing. So if you are going to use this for taking notes in school, or if you're going to draw and you're an artist, this is going to be a great alternative to the Apple Pencil. But I absolutely love it, and I may just be taking notes with this digital pencil. This is awesome. Now, do keep in mind, this ESR Geo Digital Pencil is only $29.99, so you get to enjoy pretty much everything you get with the Apple Pencil Pro for a fraction of the price. But I really do like how it has that Find My, it has a extra shortcut button and a battery display, which is awesome. And it pairs up real easily, and you get different colors too with this digital pencil. So it's not just like the only white Apple Pencil Pro you get. So yeah, definitely be sure to check this out. Now, the next thing you're going to need is a screen protector, which I think is super important for pretty much every single product you use. And this right here is the ESR Ultra Fit Classic Screen Protector. So what I love about ESR screen protectors is that it has a simple 2-step application. There you go, you just open it up, you just place your iPad downwards just like this, close it up, press your hand right here, and then you pull. Now, do keep in mind, this is also dust-free and bubble-free, and a dust removal strip inside ensures that there's instant bubble and dust-free application. So we open it up. So now we take a look, lift it up. There we go, and then bam. And then obviously, open it up just like that, and we got a screen protector. So as you can see, the 2-step application really is 2 steps, and it is super easy to apply. Again, links will be in the description down below, but if you're gonna pick up an iPad, you do need a screen protector. Now, next up, we have right here the ESR Flip Magnetic Case, and this is also a pencil holder, and obviously you're gonna need a case with your iPad. Okay, so what we wanna do is we wanna just put in the iPad just like that, there we go, and then throw in our pencil right there, and we are all set to go. But there are some more features with this magnetic case. So obviously when you take a look around it, it is super protective. It has a precise camera cutout, absolutely love it. And it has precise cutouts right here for the USB-C and for the speakers. And then obviously when you pop it open, just like that, bam, you're all set to go. But there are multi-angles for viewing and for making content. So let's take a look at the process right here. You see 3 different segments, and we are going to flip this just like that in the back. And then with the back of the iPad, we have a 45 and 60 degree viewing mode. So when we place it here is the 45 degree view, and then we go one more slot and we are at 60 degrees. So you can use this for viewing content, watching YouTube videos or Amazon Prime, Netflix, whatever it is. However, if I want to go into writing mode, which is one more slot over, we go 25 degrees and bam, we just pop out our Apple Pencil, and now it is easier to use than ever. I absolutely love how there's 3 different modes to watch videos for content consumption and to use it for creative purposes. Now with this case, you also have ultra stability on pretty much any surface. So like it is not going to move, especially like when you are writing or when you are viewing content, it's just not going to move. I really do like this case. It is built to perfection. What if you like to use your iPad in portrait mode? Well, there is a solution to that as well. So first things first is you got to make sure your iPad is set up like this, and then we're going to bring it upwards. We're going to take this bottom flap and bring it outwards, just like that. And as you can see, this is how you can view it in portrait mode. Let's say, I don't know, you're reading something while you're doing something else, and you just like to use it in portrait mode. Here it is, but you're all set to go. Now the last product I want to showcase is the ESR Rebound magnetic keyboard case. Yes, a keyboard case for the iPad 11th Gen. All right, so let's take a look at this Rebound magnetic keyboard case. It's built super premium, but let's open it up. Let's slide the iPad on there just like that, bam. And then we can change the angle. We just bring this flap down here just like that, and we're pretty much all set to go. So that's essentially how the case looks on the iPad, but it's quick and easy to set up as well. So what we're going to do is we are going to set it up via Bluetooth. Let's go quickly back into Bluetooth. We turn on ESR keyboard. Then we're going to hit pair just like that, and we are all set to go. And we got our trackpad right here, and it's multifunctional. So it lets you tap, you can pinch, you can swipe. It has perfect precision to revolutionize the way you use your iPad. For example, if we want to bring like the search bar, there we go. Bam, we got the search bar. Or let's say we go into weather, right? And we want to go to the home screen. Bam, and we're all set to go. And I honestly love it. And it's just easy to maneuver. It is super precise, and you know, you'd think Bluetooth is going to lag and things like that, but no, not with this case. Now, some may wonder, how is typing on this? How is the typing experience? So here's what I have to say with this keyboard case. This has a highly responsive scissor mechanism, and it comfortably is spaced. So the keys, they're comfortably spaced. If you are used to a larger keyboard, it may take some time to get used to, like myself, but it's still really easy to use. And I really do like it. It's really precise. Again, it doesn't really lag. And here's what I have to say about this. If you're looking for a keyboard case, I think this is perfect for those who are just want to get some light work done, who want to just type up documents, who want to do some slight and easy research and things like that. Maybe you're a college student, maybe you're a high school student, whatever it may be, but I think this case is going to be awesome. Now, the one thing I like about this, as you can see right here, is the backlit keys. So if we click on FN6, we can change the color of the keys. Let's just go like this, FN6, and I want to leave it at this red right here. I really like how this red looks, but you can also change the brightness. So you can have it like off, you can have it high, medium, low, and then off. But let's keep it at high. Obviously, the higher you have it, then the more battery is going to drain, but this is going to last you a pretty long time. And also, you gotta remember, how are you going to charge this thing? Let's just go like this and close it up. There is a USB-C port right over here, so you should all be set to go. And you know, it doesn't add too much bulk to it, honestly. You would think it's a keyboard case, it's gonna add some bulk, but no, it doesn't really add that much bulk. And this looks really sophisticating, and it looks like you want to get work done and you're a really productive person. But I really do love what ESR did with this Rebound magnetic keyboard case. Now, I hope you guys did enjoy this video and checking out these products for your iPad 11th Gen. But if you don't have an iPad 11th Gen, you have a different iPad, like an iPad Air, you can check these out. There are alternatives for these products for your given iPad. So if you have an iPad Air or an iPad Pro, you should be able to find these products for those as well. But I will be rocking this, and I will continue to be using these products for my iPad, especially my favorite one right here, which is the digital pencil. I think I might just completely get rid of my Apple Pencil Pro, put it aside, and use this as my pencil, because I'm not really using, first of all, Apple Pencil Pro is just way too bulky and too expensive. But two, I like the look of this better. So this is one of my favorite products that ESR, you know, sent out to me. But yeah, definitely be sure to check them out. Links will be in the description down below. If you guys did enjoy this video, definitely be sure to super smash the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video, because it really does help out the channel out a lot. It will help push my content out to more people. Those who want to ask about my wallpaper pack right here is called Color Blast. Again, links will be in the description down below. But that's been it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.